Hi, Simon here, and welcome to my ClickWell system review. So right here, right now, we're going to sign up to this ClickWell system, and I'm going to show you exactly what's on the inside. So Matthew Tang's ClickWell system is supposedly a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to make $10,000 a month online. So right off the bat, the name ClickWell system is trying to sell you on the idea that making money online can be quick and easy. But is it legit? That's what we're going to find out. And I'll be honest, just watched the sales video. When I hear someone talking about a complete step-by-step income generating machine, first impressions are not good, right? I'm going to assume it's a scam. I mean, it's got to be, right? I'm not going to make you watch that sales video again, but in the sales video, Matthew Tang goes on about how, this is for anybody who hates rush hour traffic, he's tired of working their ass off for someone else, and he's, ready to take a change for their to get a better financial future, pay off their debts and decide what kind of lifestyle they want. I'll be honest, this sounds like emotional manipulation to me. I'm just saying. All I'm saying is at quick glance, ClickWell Systems seems to be like one of those get-rich-quick scams. But let's not jump to any conclusions just yet. I'm going to sign up. I'm going to share with you what happens because I've been a full-time online entrepreneur for 10 years now, and I've reviewed over 600 products. So one thing I do know for sure, pretty damn sure, is that it takes more than just a few clicks of the mouse to get $10,000 a month online, right? There's a lot more involved in that. So we're going to talk about what ClickWell system is and find out if it really can help you achieve your online income goals. All right, enough said then. Let's just sign up and let's see what happens. And talk about a guarantee. It says here, secure my 100% make more money guarantee today. After completing the ClickWell system, you will start making life-changing income online, or I insist that you request a full refund of every cent you paid, no questions asked. Okay then, let's hit pay now. Okay, and just like every single other clickbank get-rich-quick scam that I've ever reviewed, and I've reviewed over 600 of them, there's upsells. So remember, we just paid $9 for ClickWell system, and straight away bonus instant add-on that can turbo boost your profits with the same effort. Would you like to instantly boost your profits without spending any extra effort? No, thank you. Kebab or burger? I don't know what this is going on about. Oh, profit activator. Okay, how much is this? I don't know what this is going on about. Just get me to the thing that I just bought. Okay, that's $147 upsell on a $9 product. That is ridiculous. And it's just one click upgrade at this point. So if I click this button, it's just going to get that money's going to get taken straight out of my account. Nope, not interested in this upgrade. Just give me what I just paid for. Wait. Did you really say no to the upgrade? Yes. Oh my word. Okay. Sorry, I'm not interested. Oh, so the discount now it's $97. Okay. No, thank you. What's this now? Oh, the click profit multiplier. Upsell number 2. Okay. How much is this? $148 this time. What the heck? No, I'm not interested in that either. Thank you very much. This is crazy. On a $9 product, we're trying to get upsells. So far, this is like $296 in upsells. How would you like me to give you $50 off? No, thank you. So this is what we call a downsell. You have an upsell and a downsell, upsell and a downsell. $98. Still not interested. Okay, finally, I think we're in. Access digital product. Okay, so now I can show you the members area. All right, so we're in. This is what the ClickWell system members area looks like. So it looks like there's training here, step 1, and they do have a Facebook community, which is cool. Sync your ClickBank account, okay, and get response. So it looks like we need to get response, which is email software as well that you pay monthly for. So let's have a look at the welcome message. One thing that really strikes out to me straight away, you see all these red buttons here on the side, upgrade, upgrade, upgrade. All of these are the upsells. So you've got the 5 times profit pages upsell, profit activator upsell, which we've just seen, and the click profit multiplier upgrade, which was $148 each. So there's a little welcome video, and okay, so again, this is customer middleman arbitrage, which is just affiliate marketing, as I say. I don't know why he's given it a really complicated name. It's just affiliate marketing. But you know, at least it does give kind of a very basic overview of what affiliate marketing is. Right, you've got your customers, you're the affiliate, and then the product. So you know, if you're brand new affiliate marketing, you've never done anything like this before, it would kind of give you at least an overview. This is just a YouTube embedded video too. So, but as I say, if you watch this video here, I'll walk you through what affiliate marketing is in probably a lot easier way to understand than this. Let me just have a look at this. So it is a bit confusing, like where do I go first? What am I supposed to do? Okay, so this is Microsoft Word, how to set up a profit page on a Microsoft Word document. This all seems very old to me. Okay, so basically that you can create a page using the templates. I'm assuming that's where you drive traffic to. Okay, I don't want to show too much of the training because I don't want to get into trouble, but let me just have a nosy around, let me figure it out, and I'll come right back to you. Okay, so I've just gone through it, and I would say the training consists of 5 or 6 embedded YouTube videos, which, as I say, go through affiliate marketing. But here's what shocked me was that instead of going on to explain that there are over 550 million affiliate products that you can promote online, including, you know, the likes of Amazon and Walmart and Best Buy, that kind of thing, I was flabbergasted to hear Matthew Tang say the whole training is centered basically around promoting Click Wealth system, right? So there's tens of thousands of affiliate programs. This training, you buy Click Wealth system training so that you learn how to promote the Click Wealth system training. And that, to me, that changes everything. It's gone from being an affiliate marketing training platform to basically almost like a pyramid scheme, or, you know, something like that. It's just not good. A pyramid scheme, in case you don't know, is when people are recruited, where you make money by recruiting others into the system that you yourself have just joined. And I would say Click Wealth system, from what I've seen so far, matches that description to a T. Okay, so now let me talk about something that you're never going to hear on the sales page. This is going to cost you a couple of $100 a month. If you go through the training and try and follow and, you know, do exactly what they tell you to do, it's going to cost you a couple of $100 a month just to implement it. You're going to need to sign up to GetResponse email software, which is about $15 a month. You're also going to need to pay out, right? So the whole idea is you build a page using one of their very old, I would say, not very good looking templates, and then you need to pay for solo ads, which is where you're basically paying email spammers to spam out your offer to their lists of tens of thousands of people, and you pay per email that's sent so that you can get people hopefully click onto your page, clicking your affiliate links, and hopefully generating commissions for you. That's the general idea here, which is probably one of the worst ways, one of the most expensive and risky ways to do affiliate marketing that I've ever heard of. So that's going to cost a lot of money. Solo ads do not come cheap. But let's say you're talking about paid ads, whether it be solo ads or any kind of paid ads. If you can make more money than what you're paying out, great, right? You've got a profitable campaign and you'll be laughing all your way to the bank. As I say, with solo ads, they're very expensive and they're very inefficient. They're not very good. They don't get the results that you're looking for because, I mean, come on, when was the last time you clicked on an email in your spam box and ended up buying something? People don't read it, and now with Gmail and whatever, all the spam filters that they have, it's just not the right way to do affiliate marketing. If you are looking for a proper way to, drive traffic to make those sales and to earn those commissions, check my first link in the description. That's going to take you to a free 7-day trial of Wealthy Affiliate, who are going to give you all of your cutting-edge AI tools, your step-by-step core training, actual training, not just embedded YouTube videos, and actually support. There's no support here with Click Wealth system. There's a number I can call, which is a bit weird, but that's it. But yeah, click that first link in the description below. That's going to set you up. It's going to give you everything you need to start making money with affiliate marketing in the right way. This is just a really dodgy cringy way to do it, I would say. And here's another thing too. So #1 recommended traffic source, solo ads. And Matthew Tang wants you to buy the solo ads from a website called raysolos.com, which is a website that Tang himself is affiliated with. So he's going to make 20%, whatever money you spend on the solo ads, the owner of Clickwell system is going to make another 20% extra on top of the money that you've already paid. And a lot of people are going to end up buying the upsells. This is money on top of that. So yeah, that is just not good. One more thing I actually want to show you before we get into the pros and cons is one good thing about Clickwell system is that it's a ClickBank product, which means that you are entitled through ClickBank to a full 60-day money back guarantee. Now, this is a refund policy that I intend to take full advantage of because it's just, even for $9, it's just not worth it for what you're getting. But in one of the introductory videos that Matthew Tang made in the training, it's kind of scary. Tang warns that if you do request a refund for Clickwell system, you will be permanently blacklisted from the Clickwell system in order to protect existing members, which is really weird. I'll show you it here. However, you will be blacklisted from purchasing Clickwell system in the future. Protect the current Clickwell members. I spend over $20,000 and over 1,000 hours to create Clickwell system, so everyone has an equal opportunity to make money online. So he's kind of threatening you in a way that, okay, you're entitled to a refund, but if you do ask for a refund, you are going to be blacklisted. So if you've already bought the product and you're already kind of regretting it, which I wouldn't be surprised at all, I am, then don't ask the owner of Clickwell system for your refund. Go through ClickBank directly and get your money back that way, because yeah, it's just weird to me that you would threaten people to blacklist them if they ask for a refund. So obviously this happens a lot. There's a lot of people here asking for refunds, so that's never a good sign. Or better yet, if you've already watching this video, just don't buy it, don't waste your money, and then you never have to go through the whole hassle of trying to get a refund anyway. Okay, so now let me quickly go through some massive red flags here. Like, we've covered a lot already, but there's 3 massive red flags. First of all, you've got the crazy income claims. Whenever you're looking at a program, looking for a way to build an online business or, achieve financial freedom online, always be wary of these massive, crazy income claims. So imagine you're out and about, right? Just imagine you're walking down the street tomorrow. You're going to buy groceries down at the store, and somebody in the car park of the supermarket stops you and says, hey, if you give me $9, I'll show you how to make $10,000 a month, right? What would your reaction be? Like, would that seem legit to you? But this is exactly what's happening here. He's promising you $10,000 a month for $9. So that doesn't make sense. In the sales video as well, I noticed that there's a ClickBank earnings screenshot. Apparently from it's a success story from a supposed member who's supposed to be making money following the Clickwell system. Is that 100% verified proof? Not really. It's very easy. You just Google images, ClickBank earnings screenshot. Very easy to get. That is not verified proof at all. It's unbelievably easy to make those. Another thing I do know about all of these kind of get rich quick shortcuts, or these hidden back doors, these secret codes to instant riches online, they always promise a lot. They're super hyped up, but they never deliver. They always leave you disappointed and heartbroken, basically, because there's no shortcut to success, right? You can make $10,000 a month online. You 100% can, but you have to put in the time to learn the skills, right? There's a lot of skills that you need to learn, and then you have to put in the time to apply what you've learned, to apply those skills and put in the work. That's how you achieve success with business, with online business, with anything in life, right? So anybody promising you these shiny shortcuts, just be very careful. Second big red flag for me is these what we call fake scarcity tactics. So throughout the entire sales video, you're told you need to act fast, you need to buy now. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity. If you don't buy it now, this opportunity could be lost forever. There's only 100 spaces available. This website's been up for at least 5-6 years, and I guarantee it's been saying one day only for the last 6 years, and who knows how much longer it's going to be one day only. So don't fall for those scarcity tactics. They're just designed to get you to panic. Well, first of all, lucky me, right? Wow, I got in it at the right time. And then you panic, and so they just want you to click the buy now button without actually applying, engaging your brain. So That's another thing to watch out for. And last thing, massive red flag for me is if you've got a $9 product and you've got 4 upsells, it's just way too many upsells, hundreds of dollars in upsells. That's just absolutely ridiculous. And then you hit again with upsells. So as you're buying the product, you get bombarded with these upsells. Then when you get into the members area again, you're bombarded with the whole members area is littered with upsells. It's just ridiculous. So what that tells me is instead of coming up with a complete and full comprehensive training program that's going to show you everything you need to know, right? It's just going to give you a bit of a taste here. It's going to give you a little piece here, and then it's going to ask you to pay more to get the full picture. It's an absolute scam. I don't like it. It just puts me off. Yeah, the upsells are just ridiculous. So I've exposed a lot of ClickBank scams in my time. You know, these scams that overpromise and underdeliver. You know, they promise you a guaranteed way to make money, but then once you get on the inside like this, it's just, there's nothing there. There's no real legitimate way of making money. I've also reviewed dozens and dozens of pyramid schemes, you know, where the whole money-making process is where you get paid to recruit other people into the program that you yourself just joined. I would say ClickWell system qualifies as both a get-rich-quick scam and a pyramid scheme rolled into one. So if you want my advice, then please just stay away from the ClickWell system. It's not going to get you the results that it's promising. Now, I'm really sorry. All this sounds really, really negative, and I hate being negative. I'm normally a very positive person. But let me end on a positive note. So do not lose hope. ClickWell system is not the way to make $10,000 a month online. It's just not going to get you there. It's just terrible. But don't lose hope. You absolutely can make $10,000 a month online. You just need the right know-how, the right knowledge, the right systems, and the right AI tools to help you make that happen, right? Which is what ClickWell system cannot give you. So if you're looking for my #1 top recommended program online, it's Wealthy Affiliate. So I'm going to put the video here. Watch my Wealthy Affiliate review and just learn how Wealthy Affiliate can help you to turn your idea, to turn your motivation, your passion into a $10,000 a month business online. And always, always remember this piece of advice. If something sounds too good to be true, then it probably is. So please stay safe out there, and until next time, cheers.